Good morning class. Myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining class 9th rest exercise of chapter 3, factorization of polynomials. Exercise 3F and 3G. So here I take some problems of exercise 3F and exercise 3G. After that your chapter 3, factorization of polynomials, will be completed. At first focus on the whiteboard. First, some formulas. X cube minus y cube. That means x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. X cube plus y cube. X plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. These two formulas of exercise 3F and these two formula of exercise 3G. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This formula has a derivation and this formula has also derivation, but when we meet together in the classes, then I should derive these formulas. Now focus. If x plus y plus z in this formula is 0, then this RHS term of this formula is totally 0. So that x cube plus y cube plus z cube, this should be changed their side, becomes plus. That means x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Now we can focus on the question. Solution of your first question. Here the question is 8x cube minus 1 by 27y cube. So that 8x cube is the whole cube of 2x and minus 1 by 3y the whole cube. So it is in the form of x cube minus y cube. So we use this formula. So here 2x minus 1 by 3y equal to x square. That means 2x the whole square plus xy, that means 2x and 1 by 3y, because on the place of x here 2x, on the place of y 1 by 3y, so we multiply that these two numbers plus 1 by 3y the whole square. So your result is 2x minus 1 by 3y and here 4x square plus 2x by 3y plus 1 by 9y square. So you got your answer. In the second question, here a plus b the whole cube minus a minus b the whole cube. At first let a plus b equal to x and a minus b equal to y, so that it should be written as x cube minus y cube. So their formula equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So on the basis of this formula, we should put here a plus b minus y. The value of y is a minus b. So we use the brackets, because if we don't use the brackets, we have some problems and you can't change the sign of this term. So your answer is wrong. a plus b the whole square plus a plus b into a minus b and plus a minus b the whole square. So here your value is a plus b minus a plus b, and this a cancel, and whole square of this formula a square. This is the a plus b the whole square, so a square plus b square plus 2ab plus here it is in the a plus b and a minus b. So it is the formula of a square minus b square, and this is the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus b cancel, plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. Your result is twice b into a square and a square. That means thrice a square plus only one b square. So your result is this, and this is your answer. So your first question and second question will be completed. Solution of question number 3. A6 plus B6. Here we can write a square the whole cube plus b square the whole cube. So a square plus b square into a square the whole square minus a square b square plus b square the whole square. It is also set on that formula. So a square plus b square into a to the power 4 minus a square b square plus b to the power 4. On this type of questions, one should be also a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. But they should be written like that also. You can solve a cube the whole square minus b cube the whole square. That means a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Now you can set it on formula and you solve that. Your fourth question is 8a cube minus b cube minus 4ax plus twice bx. Here 2a the whole cube minus b the whole cube minus 2x will be common in these two terms. Minus 2x will be common. So your result is plus 2a or minus b. In this formula 2a minus b, then twice a the whole square plus twice a into b plus b square and minus 2x twice a minus b. This twice a minus b and this twice a minus b is common because this is one term and this is another term. Twice a minus b. So you got your result 4a square plus twice ab plus b square minus twice x, and that's your answer. Solution of your question number 5. Your question is a cube b minus c the whole cube plus b cube c minus a the whole cube plus c cube a minus b the whole cube. Here you must be remember that if x plus y plus z equal to So it should be written as, now a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. एट फर्स्ट इनके जो टर्म्स है उन टर्म्स को हम पहले ऐड करके देखेंगे कि इज देयर रिजल्ट भी जीरो. सो आफ्टर दैट वी कैन सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम इजिली. सो दैट हियर ab minus ac plus bc minus ab plus ac minus bc. Minus bc plus bc cancel, minus ab plus ab cancel, minus ac plus ac cancel equal to 0. Then क्योंकि a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b equal to 0. So that a cube b minus c the whole cube, let this term is x, plus b cube c minus a the whole cube, this term is y, plus c cube a minus b the whole cube, this is z. So x plus y plus z equal to 0. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to क्या हो जाएगा, 3xyz equal to 3x y and z. So 3a into b minus c into b into c minus a into c minus c into a minus b, and that's your result. It should be also written as 3abc a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. That is the answer of your question number 5. Now in the question number 6, चूंकि a plus b plus c equal to 0 here given in the question, a plus b plus c equal to 0 given, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to thrice abc. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3 whole abc. That means this abc should be in the cross multiplication. Now we can divide it partially. इसको हम अलग अलग करेंगे. We can separate it. So it should be written as a cube by abc plus b cube by abc plus c cube by abc equal to 3. A cube, that means a into a into a. 1a, it should be written as a into a into a. It should be written as b into b into b. It should be written as c into c into c. C cancel, b cancel, a cancel. That means a into a square by bc plus b square by ac plus c square by ab equal to 3, and that's your result. Here we can prove that the value of this equal to 3. Now we are in the question number 5. Sorry, question number 7. In the question number 7, in the question number 7, here a plus b plus c equal to 9. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We got result a plus b plus c the whole square equal to 9 the whole square. And formula of a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to 81. Now the value of a square plus b square plus c square in the question is 35. So we take from the question, this is equal to 35 plus, here 2 is common, twice ab plus bc plus ca equal to 81. That means twice ab plus bc plus ca equal to 81 minus 35, and your result is 11, 6, 7, 3, 4. That means value of AB plus BC plus CA equal to 46 by 2. That means 23. Now, in the question, find the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. What is the formula of? Chunki AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus thrice ABC equal to. Here the formula A plus B plus C into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. On the basis of this formula, it should be written as, so a plus b plus c equal to 9 into a square b square plus c square equal to 35, and here minus will be common, and ab plus bc plus ca. Now 9 into 35 minus, what is the value of this? It should be, find out, 23, and 9 into, this should be subtracted, we got the result 12, and 12 into 9, 108, and that is your answer. Now you finish, I finish your chapter number 3, factorization of polynomials. All exercises will be completed. If you have any problem, you must be contacting me, or this is my number 9934085637. Sunil Kumar. If you have any problem, you must be send the questions picked on my WhatsApp. I will solve you, and then I again send you on your WhatsApp. If you have any problem, you also comment in our comment box. Okay, thank you.